All right. So you are the climatologist, the ecotourism director. So you're the one kind of setting the stage for this amazing national park project. Okay. So here are the bullet points that you're going to do. All of this right here underneath the process. This is what you're going to do. Find the following information about your park: the state name, the location, and the latitude of the national park. Latitude lines go this way. So the equator, and then it counts up until you get to the North Pole, which is 90. So, or it counts down, but we're in the northern hemisphere. National park map and US map with the exact location of the park in the state, when the park was founded and who founded it, the type of biome characterized by the national park and describe the biome, the average temperature and precipitation. There's three changes. What are three changes that have been made or have occurred in the park since its founding? So, for instance, Yellowstone, they reintroduced the wolves. That would be one example of some kind of changes that have occurred. What are some special programs the park offers? What are three activities you can participate in while in the park? What are some ways you can help to preserve the park? Okay, so all of those are like fun things that you're going to be trying to sell your park as like the best national park to visit. So you want people to come there and you're going to tell me all about that. So you're making 5 slides. If you want to make more, because there's more than 5 bullet points, then you can. But you have to have at least 5 slides. So, I mean, you can combine the map with the name, location, and latitude and everything. Or you can do one for each bullet point. It's up to you. Now, this next one: describe one density dependent event that can limit the park's plants and animal population. So here's a link right here: population limiting factors. So again, like with this density dependent event, so that would, kind of similar to what I said with the wolves before. I need to fix that spelling. Describe one density independent event that can limit the park's and plants and animals population. That's this one right here. So population limiting factor. So you're going to look at this to kind of find out that. Now that's a little bit more complicated. So let's take a look at it together. The population limiting factor. So this is talking about growth populations. What are the things that are going to limit the population? There must be a limit. So populations cannot grow without a limit, because if they continue to grow, then eventually, like with our deer, when we played that game, Oh Deer, and then it ran out of food and water, there wasn't enough resources. So density dependent. So this all kind of talks about that. Independent limitation, and it tells exactly about this. So you'll need to read through here. And then there's some more information on that showing the population. So this is going to be a little bit challenging. So you're going to have to put in a little effort here. You can send me an email or something. We can talk about it. But I'm not going to go into more detail about it. But what you could do, let's say I was going to do Crater Lake again. Crater Lake. And you can go right here to this National Park Service. This is going to help you find quite a bit, but you need to do 3 references. Don't forget 3 references. So if we're looking at Crater Lake, we can find out some information about the park here. Like here's plan your visit. So this is going to tell you what you can do as a visitor guide. We wanted to do that. You can become a junior ranger. And then you could, ride the vehicles on the rim of the the volcano. And so there's all these different things that tell you about what you need to do, and there's webcams and stuff. So this would be a good thing for that. Um, so if we wanted to do history and culture, that's going to be right here. We can learn about the history and culture. And it tells us right here: Crater Lake has long attracted the wonder and admiration, blah, 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 blah. It was founded, right here is the date. So when you go, you can take a look. This is a great resource right here, the nationalpark.gov, but you're going to need to add some other things as well. So hopefully that helps you as the climatologist. Um, yours is kind of a fun job because it's diverse. You not only have to kind of tell me about the climate and what the park is, but you get to tell me all the fun things that you can do there, and then tell me about the populations and different things that are happening. All right. Good luck. You can do it, and you're going to be awesome. Have a great day.